Learning to love food again with my girlfriend. Be me. 26, just graduated culinary school. Work part-time at bistro, freelance catering on weekends. Dream of opening my own kitchen someday. Cooking for people is love language.exe. Friends know if you hang at my place, you get fed. Meet Claire at a rooftop party. Quiet but funny, sarcastic, doesn't fake laugh. Talk for hours, exchange numbers. Start texting non-stop. First date coffee, second date book fair. Third date, I offer to cook. She hesitates, maybe nervous. Pattern forms, every date ends up eating out. Weird because she loves food, follows food bloggers, talks about restaurants. But refuses my cooking. Friends joke, maybe allergic to love. I laugh but internally _sad. 2.5 months in, she finally agrees to come over. I go all out, handmade pasta, roasted garlic sauce, Parmesan crisps, tiramisu, candles, table set. Nervous.exe. She shows up, compliments smell, sits down, takes one bite, freezes. Smile becomes forced, says she's full after a few bites. Later claims not feeling well. Something off. That night, gently ask, is it the food or something else? She goes quiet, braces me for worst-case scenarios. Deep breath, explains food trauma. Mom obsessed with cleansing diets, controlling, shame through food, boiled veggies for birthdays, cake equals poison. Meals loaded with guilt. Now her body panics even when she wants to enjoy food. Fear of disappointing cook, has left dates because of feeding. Says she likes me, first time telling anyone. Sit there, stunned. Realize trust level, over 9,000. Take her hand, say, feeding people is how I show love, but I can learn your language. She cries, we sit on couch talking for an hour. Next week's shift starts. Cook together, she picks ingredients, I teach techniques. No pressure, just fun. Pancakes with faces, laugh when eggshell falls in batter. She says first time she's had fun in a kitchen. Slowly she trusts food again. Takes bites without fear. Makes first grilled cheese, proud.af. Sometimes freezes, tells me now. Months pass, she requests dishes, dreams about my cinnamon rolls. One day, I think I'm finally making peace with food. Celebrate with takeout, matching aprons. A year later, move in together. She paints a sign for the kitchen, the love language is pasta. She still gets nervous sometimes. But now I can read it, she knows she's safe. Food becomes bridge, not just sustenance. Every time she smiles after a bite, no_we're_good.exe.